Good morning, guys. Saving with Shay, and I am at CVS for my CVS video for you guys. Now, I want to do, multiple transactions like I have been doing, with the exception of last week, but I have extra care bucks expiring that I need to use. So what I'm going to do is do all the deals on one transaction, but maybe I'll break them up for you in a way that you can roll your extra care bucks to lower your out of pocket. I have 6 deals I'm going to share today. I'm hoping to have everything in stock, and I don't have a lot of coupons. I literally only have 2 coupons, and so this should be pretty easy. But if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you also smash the like button, support your girl, and don't forget to make sure post notifications are on as well. So without further ado, let's head into the store and see if we've got awesome deals for you guys today.
So the first deal that we're gonna do obviously is a nice money maker on Covergirl. It's buy 2 get back 6. And so of course we're gonna grab our trusty perfect blend pencils priced at $4.99. So 2 of them is going to be $9.98. We're gonna be using a 3 off of 1 CRT that we're all getting right there. And then I'm gonna stack that with 2 of the coupons right here. Now these are the ones that already expired. We also have this one here that just came out. So we're using 2 of these. You end up paying 98 cents out of pocket and then getting back $6, making us a $5.02 money maker. All right, the next deal that we're gonna be doing now, if you are rolling your extra care bucks from transaction to transaction, you're starting off with that Covergirl deal. You're paying 98 cents out of pocket. You're getting back 6. So going into your second transaction, you have 6. So we're going to be doing the Kotex deal. It is spend 15, get back 5. And for this, I do have a 3 off of 12 CRT, as well as 2 4 off of 2 digitals as well, that I'm really hoping will attach. So for that, we're going to be grabbing 2 of these right here, priced at $7.59. Okay, so the total for both are going to come to $15.18. Again, we are using a 3 off of 12 CRT as well as 2 4 off of 2 digitals, which should bring the total down to paying $4.18 out of pocket and getting back the 5, making them free plus an 82-cent money maker. Another option would be to grab one of them priced at $8.69 and one of them priced at $7.29. All right, the total for the 2 is going to be $15.98. And then again, if you have a 3 off of 12 film CRT and the 2 $4 digitals, you end up paying a total of $4.98 out of pocket, but then you're going to get back 5 in extra care bucks, so it makes it a 2-cent money. What we're going to grab is on the Colgate. Now be careful with this promotion because there are 2 different ones. One is buy 2 get back 4, and then they have one that's buy 2 get back 6. So make sure you're not grabbing 2 from 2 different promotions. All right, so for this we're going to be grabbing this one here. It's on the Optic White. It is buy 2 get back 4, priced at $4.69. Right, so both products are going to come to $9.38, and then we're going to use a 4 off of 2 digital right here that is working with it, as well as a 3 off of 2. All right, that's going to bring your total down to you paying $2.38 out of pocket, but then you're going to get back $4 in extra care bucks, making them both free plus a $1.62 money maker. So rolling your transactions, this is your second one. You're coming in with a $6 extra care buck. So the Kotex was a cost of what, $4.18, and the Colgate was a price of $2.38. So your total is $6.56. We're rolling that $6 extra care buck from our first transaction. We're paying 56 cents out of pocket, and then we're getting back 9. That's 4 for Colgate and 5 for the Kotex. So that's our second transaction. And this is gonna be our third transaction. I feel like I'm whispering because I'm later. Like usually I come before the pharmacy opens and I can talk a little louder, but because it's already like almost 11, I feel like I have to whisper. And so we're grabbing the deal on the Aveeno. It is Aveeno Neutrogena Lubriderm, and it's buy 2 get back 4 or buy 3 get back 12. I saw someone post this morning. I thought, let me go ahead and try it. And so it's on the Aveeno. So we're gonna grab the Aveeno, the small ones here, priced at $4.59. We're gonna grab 3 of these. Now I do have printables. I went ahead and ordered another set this morning just in case. They're not okay with taking them because they expired on the 25th. So I ordered a set that's not expired, just in case. All right, so this deal, okay, the coupon didn't scan. I thought it might though because the coupon says 2.5 or less. No, it says less than 2.5. So I thought it might scan, but it didn't. I had her scan after each item, still didn't work. I think I'm gonna go ahead and still grab the deal anyways, considering this is stuff that my Josiah uses because he has sensitive skin. So basically we'll end up grabbing 3 of them at $4.59. We'll have the 3 off of 12 CRT. We'll pay $10.77 and we'll get back the 12. So it'll be a $1.23 moneymaker, which is still not bad. And so I'm gonna go ahead and just grab them anyway. Here's another deal I'm gonna share. I don't think I'm gonna do it though, but it's on the Peach Slices Acne Spot Dots. They're priced at $4.99. It's buy 2, get back 7. So you wanna grab 2 of those. You end up paying $9.98 out of pocket and get back 7. It makes it $2.98 for 2 of them. Are only $1.49 each. I know they have some here, but they also have some over here too as well. So if you don't find them on that stand, check this area right here. And so yeah. Oh, I see this one too. It's buy 1, get back 3, limit of 1. And these are $3.99. So it'd be 99 cents. So that'd be a good little filler if you're using a threshold CRT. Really quick, this is a freebie on Ibotta. It's on the Good Measure bar. I got this yesterday. I shared it in my Walmart video. It's priced at $6.79, getting back $7.39 on Ibotta, so it makes it like a 40-cent moneymaker. So definitely a good item to grab. I was actually surprised my store had it because my store most never gets the new items. And so if you have any CRTs you want to stack with this, would make it an even better deal. And so yeah. Alright guys, so this is what our transaction looks like. I added the Cheetos as a filler, 2 for $1. And so yeah, so there goes the Aveeno, there goes the Colgate, there goes the Covergirl, and then there goes the Kotex. All of my coupons and digitals all applied. Yeah, and I rolled $18.31. I'm not counting the filler into my total, you guys, but I rolled a total of $18.31 in extra care bucks. And we got back our 12, 6, 4, and 5. So we got back 27. So it makes everything that I did an $8.69 moneymaker. All right, really, you know what? I think I am going to go ahead and just do this. I do have a $10 care pass expiring on the 2nd, I think. So I'm going to go ahead and roll that into this deal. So with the care pass, since I technically only paid $5, it'll make this like paying $4.98 out of pocket and getting back the 7. So it'll make it about a $2 moneymaker, which is not bad. Really quick, the Colgate, the Max Fresh, they also are double attaching as well. And at this store, they lock the optic white up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a couple of these instead. So you'll pay $3.38, getting back $4, making it a 62-cent moneymaker. Here's a deal that I'm gonna try. I do have a 3 off of 18 on this card for Colgate. So I'm gonna be grabbing 2 of these down here, priced at $5.19, and then I'm also gonna be grabbing 2 of the toothbrushes, which are priced at $5.79. The total for all 4 is going to come to $21.96. And then for coupons, we're using the 3 off of 18 CRT. We're going to use the 4 off of 2 right here, the 3 off of 2 on the toothbrushes right there, and then the 3 off of 2 right there. So it's going to bring it down to paying $8.96 out of pocket, but then you'll get back $4 for the toothpaste and $5 for the toothbrushes. So it'll be a 4-cent moneymaker for all 4 products. And so yeah. All right, guys. So here is my complete haul for you guys. I went ahead and just ran the Colgate and the CoverGirl across the board. I did the Aveeno 3 times. Kotex we did twice. Everything worked out really good today, though. The coupon for the Aveeno didn't work for me. I was really hoping that it would. I I saw somebody post that this morning, was like, I wonder if that coupon would work. And it didn't work. But I still think it was a really great deal, so I went ahead and grabbed it anyways. And so everything today worked out really good. I'm hoping that I'm done this week, but I kind of thought maybe I should kind of put some of the money we made on this haul back into maybe a household deal later this week. All right, so everything worked out good for me. I was able to use most of my Covergirl coupons that expired already, which is what I was hoping for. But I did have the new ones as a backup just in case, since all stores don't take the expired coupons. And so everything you see here retails $194.43. I did have $122 in coupon CRTs and digitals, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $72.43. And then we walk away with $108 in extra care bucks. I'm making everything you see here free plus a $35.57 moneymaker. So making $35, almost $36 on this haul, you guys. I kind of really feel like I should just go back later this week and do some other deals. The tax for this was $10.38. So even after tax, we still make 25 bucks, which is awesome. I didn't show all my receipts, so I'll probably go ahead and insert pictures of them right now. But I did do, I think I did 6 transactions today across the board. I went to 3 different stores. And so, yeah. So other than that, hope you guys are having an awesome day, night, whenever you're watching, wherever you're watching from. If there is another moneymaker deal that you're doing, because I really wanted to focus on deals that were like moneymakers. Like, seriously. And so if there's a deal that was a moneymaker that I am just totally missing out on, drop it in the comments, and we will see you guys in the next video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.